Srikanth Nalvarla, and you are seeing the screen, right? So I'm going for the Tosca online training also. If anybody want to go for Tosca online training, please contact this number and drop your email. Okay. And one more thing.
When I can use link text, sir? I have link text locator, sir. Link text export, I will tell you, ma. And a partial link text. Sir, when I can use, sir, this one? Link text, partial link text. When I can use, sir? Okay, when I can use. It's very simple. Very simple. How I can, when I can use it? Link text. Very simple. Very simple. These link text, partial link text, only to identify for links like Gmail have link. Okay, for a forgot account link. This is a links identification purpose only. These two locator, link text to partial link. These two only for identifying the link. But ID is there, name is there, export. This is all identifying all elements. Any element have ID. Using that you can identify. Name or identify. So these locators for any element identification purpose. But link text to partial link text exclusively for links identification. And also these locators can identify what is the link have the visible text. What is the link have the visible text? That visible text based on only it can identify. It is a case sensitive. If it is a capital letter, must be give the that same text to capital letter only. So this is we can go for that. Understood? This manner we can go for the here only. This manner I can go for that. Clear? So this is the way we can go for the link text to Gmail. Okay, like that. So link text. It is used for identifying the especially links with the help of the that link visible text based on it can identify only. Okay, I will show you. I'll show you example here. Sorry, I will show you the example here. This is example. What is that example? Means right click, new class. Okay, I'm giving the example for link text. Okay, na? Right. This I can give it link text. Public static void main. So I can write here. Just write here. Now, as usual, I can open this one WebDriver. This one. But what is my intention? I can go for a copy here. Paste here. Yes, I can paste to here. What is that? WebDriver driver equal new Firefox driver dot maximizing. And but I don't want to go for the Facebook. I want to go for Google page. I can write here Google. I can write it. Okay, Google I want to write. So when Google page is open, I can show you. This is a Google page is open. So when I can open the Google page, yes. Now see here Gmail link is there. Okay, Gmail link is there. So this Gmail link I want to click it on. This Gmail link I want to click it on. This is I want to click it on. Okay. Okay. No, don't worry. I want to click on the Gmail link only. Clear? So this is otherwise you want to click register link. Whatever you can go for that. Okay. Right. Fine. Okay. So to click on these links, I want to go for that. Okay. For example, I want to show you here. This is a demo web shop. This is a demo web shop dot tricentis.com. This is I can go for that. Okay. In this website, I want to click on the register link, login link, whatever I want to go for that. I want to click this link. Okay. For example, register link, I want to click it. Okay. So I can open this URL. Open this. I'm not go for the Gmail because of with based on that mail is there. Nothing happened, but this is the I can show you. Now I want to click on the register link. See driver dot find element by dot link text. See, here we have link text is there. Yes, link text is there. Here partial link text is there. So I can go for that. So link text I have. Okay, link text I have. So we can go for that. Dot link text I can give. Within the double quotation I want to write it. What's the link text we have? Which link I want to click it? This is a register link I want to click it. So this is a text I want to copy. This is a text I want to copy here. Understood? So copy that. See, it's a case sensitive. R capital letter, you must be go for the R is the capital letter. And register dot. What I can do? Click. This I want to go click. Click. Now see. So this locator especially for links identifying by using that visible text only. Now click on run button. Now observe what happened. Yes. So open the browser. Yeah. So open the browser. Yes. Sorry. Yeah. So open the browser. In that browser, it will be clicking the register link. See, when it will be clicking the register link, now it's coming to the registered page only. Are you clear? So that's a way you can click on the register link only. So that's we are calling as a link text. These located especially for links identifying purpose only. Okay, one more thing. Can I give like this? It's identifying. It's not identifying. Observe. Only that link have the register, but I am giving REG. Then it can identify. See, it will throw the error. See, it's unable to identify. See, it's throwing error. See, it's throwing error. Sir, it is throwing error, sir. But how I know which line it will throwing error, sir? See, ma. In this, see, in this, this is our class name. Example for link text. In that 17th line, it will throwing the error under 17th line. Where is the 17th line? Okay, this is the 17th line. Okay, na? Are you seeing this is the 17th line? In that 17th line, what is the problem? If you go for above, then it will giving the some message. It's giving the message. See, what's the giving message here? See, observe. Unable to locate the element to REG. So, say unable to locate. So, see, you have 17th line error is there, it is giving. And inside that line, in that line, what is the problem? REG is unable to identify this giving. Clear? So, this is we are calling exact text. If you give, then it is identifying only. This is called link text. Okay, we are discussing about next partial link text. Driver dot. You can understand now what is the partial link text by dot partial link text. Now see, same link I want to click it to REG dot click. So partially, if you give the text of that link, then it can identify and it will be perform the action. That is the speciality of a partial link text. Link text is nothing but exact link text. Single letter missing also is not identifying, but partial link text not like that. In that link, first three letters, last three letters, middle three, whatever it may be, it will be matching partially. Also, it can identify and perform the action. Now, see, we'll try it. Click on run button. What happened? I'm copying. I'm commenting 17th line. 19th line will be is executing. See? Okay. Open browser. Just click on the register link. Now see, clicking on the register link. Are you understanding? So this is we are calling as a difference between the link text to partial link text. What is the difference between link text to partial link text? Simple. Link text is used for identifying that link. Whatever the text is displayed exactly you can write without missing any letter with the case sensitive also. But partial link text, it is case sensitive, definitely partial link text. But any partially text is matching last three letters are, first three letters are, middle three letters are, whatever it may be. See, we can go for this one. Register is there a last three letters? Okay, STER I can give. See, for example, STER. This is I can give it. That is also it can identify. That's a speciality of the partial link text. Okay, na? This is we can go for that. Click on run button, save it and run it. Okay. See, I'm giving last letter STER. See, it's clicking also. Yes, it's clicking register page. Okay, na? It's opening also. That's we are calling as a speciality of the partial link text. Okay, na? Understand what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between link text to partial link text? This is the difference between the link text and partial. Clear? Like that we can go for the link text to and partial link text. Okay, na? Link text is nothing but exact you want to go for that. Partial link text means anything in the link partially text is matching for the link, then it can identify it also. Clear? So this is we can consider as a link text to partial link text. We can go for that.
Click on Navarla, and you are seeing the screen, right? So I'm going for the Tosca online training also. If anybody want to go for Tosca online training, please contact this number and drop your email. Okay. And one more thing. So I'm doing the Selenium videos step by step. All the videos I'm uploading into my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and share it and comment. And please comment, sir, upload. Sir, we are interested. So please upload. So if you comment, so I can understand, so I can go for the every concept very detailed manner, and up to frameworks I can upload the Selenium classes.